Hynes, heavy equipment technician. I've been here for about 10 months and I was looking for a lifelong career instead of just a job. I started here as a truck technician and I was able to transfer from trucks to heavy equipment. I didn't have to leave the company to switch jobs. The project I'm working on right now, I'm changing a swing bearing on an excavator. So I got to remove the whole upper frame of the excavator. All the guys here are great. They've been steering me in the right direction and helping me with things that I don't know. Definitely a hands-on place that they will give you the time to learn and help you learn. Yeah, that's the way Steve is though. Because I'll go from working on a skid steer on a Monday to an excavator the next day, loader. I've done some with pavers. It changes a lot. It's a great company. They're definitely here for you and here to help you succeed. I don't feel like a number here, more of a personal environment instead of just you're here. If you want to do something, just go do it, because I waited to come here for years and I regret it.